Hey everybody, welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so we're going to talk about bug visors and why they're important. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to install one. They're really simple to install, but you do need to know a few things when you're buying them. Number one, you're going to need to know the year, make, and model of your truck because they are going to be vehicle specific. Number two, make sure you buy one that says no drilling required. If you buy one that says drilling required, you're going to get into a headache where you have to drill holes in your hood. You do not want that style, so try to avoid that at all cost. I'm going to show you guys how I installed mine on my truck. That way you guys can do yours. So we'll start here with the basics. We have some screws with some rubber style washers, and we also have some clips that we had to slide in here that expand out on the back side to hold this bug visor. The way this is on the truck, mine covers off to the side of the fender just a little bit. The reason we like these is it keeps the front of the hood from being scratched with rock chips. Also, it protects the front of the hood. I would rather crack 100 of these than damage one hood. The cost to do paint is very expensive. It's much better to have something that protects it than having to do a bunch of paint work. So those are the kind of the main reasons why we do bug visors. But what you need to know is when you're lifting these bug visors after you've installed them, try not to push on this little edge of the lip, because what can happen is you'll crack the bug visor. Also, don't over tighten your screws when installing these. These are using factory mounts. So here there is a rubber piece that the hood normally rides on. You have to remove that rubber piece. And that rubber piece is right here. We remove this from here and from here. Inside there is the plastic clip that I'm talking about. You have to snap 5 of these in. So one over here, one in the center, one here, and one here. The 2 on the outer edge and the center ones hold a lot of the pressure of that bug visor, especially in the wind. So if it starts to crack around these areas, usually the bug visor will need to be replaced so it doesn't damage the hood. But these are the areas you want to look for. But we do have this one on here, and it does look really nice on the truck. And it does provide the protection that we want. It gives us a little bit of fender protection so we don't nick up our fenders, because oftentimes these will get rock chipped real easy or along this edge. Plus we can kind of protect anything from glancing off of this corner. So really nice setup on this bug visor. You can order these on Amazon or eBay. Make sure you get one, again, that says no drilling required. These used factory holes in the hood, and we pushed a pop clip in and then put the screws in. Guys, bug visors are a simple accessory that anyone can do. It will save the front of the hood of the truck from bugs, rock chips, debris, anything that might come off of a tire that gets slung at the vehicle. I would rather bounce it off of a bug visor than have it damage the paint in the hood. The reason why is paint is expensive. Just to get fender flares painted is over $500. Once you start adding up all these costs, a hood can run you almost $1,500 to $1,000 to have a hood painted properly. These are expensive repairs. We try to avoid these, and these accessories help us do that. Guys, thank you for all your support. Continue hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I go live. And when I post new videos. I only do lives about once a month, guys, but yeah. Make sure you guys ring that bell because it really does help you guys for when I drop videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.